Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can set reminders for yourself or for other users, channel members and workspace members on your Slack account really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So if you're curious guys, make sure you drop a like and now let us get started right away. Alright, so head over to your workspace here in Slack, and the best way to remind yourself or some of your workspace members of something or to do something is to use the Slack bot. Usually you have the Slack bot automatically installed here in your apps on the left panel. So simply interact with the Slack bot by clicking on it with your left mouse. That is going to redirect you to that conversation with the Slack bot. And after that, simply follow my instructions and use the following commands. Start with the command /remind and select that command from that menu here. After that, decide whether you'd like to remind a specific user like yourself or workspace member or an entire channel. For example, if you'd like to remind an entire channel, use that sign here. I don't know the English expression for it. And after that, select the channel name from your workspace, or alternately, if you'd like to remind yourself, let's say, use the @ sign, and after that, select or add your own name or the name of the user you'd like to remind. Next, add that sign here and tell Slackbot what you would like them to remind you of. For example, let me remind myself of updating my work schedule for next week, as you can see here in the conversation above, and the command with that sign again, and also add some additional information like when you would like to get reminded or be reminded of that activity, for example 10 a.m. on April 10th, and press enter to give Slackbot the command. And after that, the Slackbot will confirm that they will remind you of the given chore or task or activity at the specific or set time here to the right. So that's basically it guys. That's how you set reminders for yourself or team members on Slack. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.